Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi K40 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big red shutter button. We can also move to the right corner and pick this one to get access to the quality and speed of our slow motion, so you can pick whatever you need here. Now let me, for example, stay on this settings and start recording to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button. To see the video, we have to go to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery, and now let's play it by tapping at the center. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.